What's up guys, it's your boy Davidge. Welcome back to another video. Today we are in the beautiful Beverly Hills, California. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of asking exotic car owners what they do for a living. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button, turn post notifications on, and yeah, let's get into the video. All right guys, so we're right outside Harry Winston and we got the most stacked valet. It's actually really not that stacked, but I thought I'd show you guys the car. So we got this beautiful Mercedes-Benz. I think this is an S-Class. We got the Jag, the old G-Wagon. We got a couple Benzes, the Porsche 911 Turbo S. Of course, you gotta have the Lexus back there. This beautiful Porsche. I don't even know, what is that?
I think it's a GT3. Let's check it.
Look at this thing, guys. Wow.
GT3.
Beautiful car.
Your boy is right.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. So I'm sure you guys are wondering, like, what do these people do? How do people in Beverly Hills actually get the cars that they drive? Like, what do they do between the hours of 7 a.m. and 4 p.m., right? So today, that's what we're doing. We're asking people, what do you do for a living? So let's get it. All right, guys, so we're in Beverly Hills. We saw this beautiful I-8 right here. We had to ask her, what do you do for a living?
I manage actors.
You manage actors? Wow, what kinds of actors? Anybody that we would know?
Yeah, plenty.
Plenty. Tom Cruise, guys. She manages Tom Cruise.
No.
Get her license plate. No. All right, you have a good day. All right, beautiful car.
Bye.
She manages actors. Actors. That's pretty fucking cool, actually. Someone asked the question.
Somebody asked me, but you just a random guy asked me.
Oh no, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, no.
Oh, you gotta go.
Gotta go.
Take care.
Thank you.
What do you do for work? Para trabajar.
¿Qué trabajo? Yo tengo restaurantes.
The real estate?
Cadena de restaurantes.
Restaurants. Restaurants.
Franchise.
Franchise.
Cool.
Oh, whoa.
amazing.
Nice.
For some reason, there's just not a lot of exotic cars today, but I wanted to spit some facts to you guys. So we're here on Beverly Drive, and the great thing about Beverly Hills is the real estate. As you guys know, I'm a realtor, and there's so much cool real estate in this area. Just north of Santa Monica, you got the flats of Beverly Hills, where it's just gorgeous palm tree lined streets with incredible properties that are honestly price-wise up to almost $25 million. And then once you go north of Sunset, you get into you know, some even more higher property values, because the more north you go in LA, the more expensive it gets. So we got this beautiful Superleggero. This car is fucking special. You look at the paint on this car, I don't even really know what the specs of it are, but I mean, just the interior, it's like an orange reddish color. It looks fucking gorgeous. And then if you come on the sides, you see the golden brake pads. Like, that's a pretty crazy accent to the car. So Superleggero, baby. Here's some fun facts about Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills is actually the only place that has a 24-hour cupcake ATM. I know that sounds like a no big deal, but when you have a sweet tooth after a dinner at El Pastillo or at the Montage and you want something sweet, you gotta head to Sprinkles, you gotta hit the cupcake ATM. Another really cool thing is Beverly Hills police can respond to any incident in under 1 minute, which is absolutely incredible. So a lot of cool stuff about Beverly Hills, and that's why it's such an expensive place to live, is because you've got incredible little, you know, things like that that make it special. But anyways, guys, I'm talking about the real estate. You know, getting into Beverly Hills real estate is probably one of the most tough things that any realtor can do. But I want to share with you guys how I got into the business and how at 24, I've done over $10 million in transactions. And I'm also flipping my first house in Redlands. So, you know, there's so many things, you know, there's so much opportunity in real estate. You just have to get out there and you have to meet people, okay? It's COVID. You have to have a mask on. There's a lot of this crazy stuff going on, but you can literally just get out there and talk to anybody. Go outside and talk to strangers and see the conversations that you're having. And I promise you, you're gonna start to meet people that are gonna then turn into clients, and you're gonna start to see that income come in. So that's some advice about real estate, guys. We're gonna head back into the Montage because I gotta get to work. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.